What are we gonna do today?
Today we are going to take apart the front end of a 2013 Dodge Charger.
Bro. Okay, let's do it.
Always label your parts when you're taking apart something.
Bag and tag. Oh, less holding it on than I thought. There's a little person who crashed it, obviously wanted to drive it still, so they just clip shit back together. Tight. Broken bumper is off. We're gonna pull this headlight off, and we're gonna pull this bumper rebar support, whatever it's called. Well, once we get the headlight off, then we'll look at what we're gonna do with that fender. See what that's a mess of a headlight, isn't it? Let's see what the replacement one looks like, see what connectors we need and what ones we don't. We already bought a replacement headlight. Here it is right here.
It's the old one, the new one?
Well, the new used one.
Right.
From SGI Salvage. That's where we get everything from. SGI, if you guys are wondering. But you guys shouldn't shop there. Don't buy my stuff. Just kidding. So yeah, looks like we just need the 3 connections. This one goes inside on its own. So we just got the old ravaged headlight off. There's a little secret to the last clip that I couldn't get off. You actually have to remove this little white plastic piece right off to be able to even push the button in to release it from the headlight. I've actually never seen one like that you actually have to, you know, take right off. I've seen ones where you gotta clip them up, which are like the rest of them are like that. You just click the thing up, then you can hit the button. But this one, for some reason, you have to remove the white clip completely off. This is the little white clip I'm talking about. Just to enable to push the button to release the connector, so FYI.
We also have this front rebar bumper from SGI again.
Another SGI part, yeah. That's going to go back on there. We need to figure out why it didn't separate when we bolted it though, for some reason.
So we'll put this in the folder for the
Oh, and right, we got a new headlight, and it looks like the headlight just bolts directly to...
Do these have to stay on the car when you
No,
put it in?
we can have we have the receipt for it that will go in the folder when it goes back for its final inspection. No one ever explains that on their rebuild. I've never seen someone have their rebuild to an inspection station to actually get it roadworthy. They're like, oh, okay, we're done. The rebuild. We drive the car though, and it's legally. Garbage, not all the way garbage. Now it's garbage. hot here. Whew. Sweating for no reason. That's like a little close, I think. I'm leaving it. Something like the dent's
It's
going
coming. It's going away. Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Way
it's a
smoother
lot
than it
better
used to
than it
be.
was. It used to just
Yeah.
be completely folded in and like needed a new fender. So basically all I'm going to do is just remove anything that's good from this old junk bumper. So like this bottom grill is still okay. The fog lights appear to be okay. This bottom plastic piece might be salvageable, but I think I already ordered a new one. So whatever, we'll just take that apart and save all the little fasteners and clips. So that way the new one will go back together and we don't have to buy any new fasteners or clips or anything. Just the bumper and the plastic piece. All right, let's do it.
Could be learning, you could be yearning to see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you,
Whoop, 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 whoop. Dope. What's next? Now I'm gonna remove the lower rad support. There's the damage. We're gonna fix it. Anyways, what I'm doing now is I'm checking the AC lines for leaks with a black light.
I could be learning, you could be yearning to see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you,
So this is the secret part. Up, it looks like it should come off, but no, it won't, because inside here, behind this little wind noise guard thing, there, that has to go back in after. Inside there. Okay, so let me get the light for you. Deep in there, there is a bolt right there on that little tab. And that's a weird looking bolt. Look at that. What's up with that? And the threads are on the other side. There's just like a pin on the end. That doesn't make any sense. Just so you have to use a long socket, I guess. I don't know. This thing should come off now. There we go. She's looking pretty taken apart. Let's try this again. What happened here was the wrecker that I bought this bumper rebar from, instead of drilling out the two little spot welds, instead of doing that, they just sawzalled the thing right off. And I only need the front piece because my horns are still good. So I just... So we're gonna put the rebar on. Right on, tightening that up, just straightened everything out pretty nice. What? Yeah, got quite a bit done today. We did that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Check the AC lines, they're all good. AC works. Lower rad support, we took that off, fixed it, painted it, put it back on. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, we replaced the bumper rebar. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, we took off the front bumper cover. We got this done. The fender off. I did this. I sewed the little rip in the driver's seat. Didn't record it because it's not interesting enough, but yeah, that's done. Remove the headlight. That's done. So next time we're gonna prep and paint, clear coat the fender and the hood, or fender and the bumper, and then we got to work on the ABS and traction control light is on. And that's basically about it. I'm gonna get on that other stuff right away, and thanks for watching.